In the last video, we created the variables that we were going to use to record all the information for the numbers. Now let's actually get that information set to those variables. So we're going to do this in the method that we have already here, which is SetTextValues. We've got all the information for the letters, both the labels and the pressed, not pressed for the keys. We're going to use that same kind of strategy here. So down at the bottom, we'll just start out, and we're going to start with the text string label and underscore and numpad 0. And we're going to make these labels slightly different so that we can differentiate between the two sets of numbers. So just call it numpad 0 colon close quote semicolon, and then the next one, and you're kind of getting the idea, I'm sure, already. So numpad 1 colon close quote semicolon. So we can skip ahead now. And there they all are. So now let's just do the labels for the numbers above the letter keys. So text string label underscore 0. And we'll just set that equal to 0 and a colon and close quote and semicolon. And text string label 1. Again, nothing fancy here. So now we can zoom ahead. And there's all our labels. And we'll save it. Save early, save often. So now, here's our first test. If key state 01 dot is key down, open parent, keys. And now we're going to, these are the number pad key codes. So there they are. Numpad 0 is the first one. So close parent on the keys, close parent on the if. So text string underscore, and these are the number pad values. So numpad underscore 0 equals double quote pressed in all caps, just like we've done before, close quote semicolon, else text string numpad 0 equals, and then in lowercase, not pressed, and close quote and semicolon. There it is. Move on to the next one. And this should be getting all pretty repetitive. And close two parens, one for the keys, one for the if. And text string numpad 1 equals open quote, pressed in all caps, close quote, semicolon. Else text string numpad 1 equals not pressed, lowercase, just like before. This is all getting to be routine, I hope. And we'll zoom ahead. So there they are. So there's all the number pad values. Now we just need the numbers. Go ahead and save it again. So this is the same drill, but with slightly different key values. So key state 01 is key down, keys, and now the numbers above the keyboard, the values for those start with a D. So D0, and so on. So there it is. So text string underscore 0 equals double quote pressed in all caps, end quote, semicolon, else, and text string 0 equals, open our double quote, not pressed, close the quote, semicolon. Okay, and now for the next one. So this is going to be nearly identical, but with a different key. Is key down, open parend, keys dot D1, close paren twice, text string underscore 1 equals, and open quote, pressed in all caps, close quote, semicolon, else, text string 1 equals not pressed. Close quote, semicolon. Okay, and skip ahead. And there they are. The regular numbers above the keyboard and the keypad. And then the labels are above those right there. So we've got everything we need. Get rid of some of these spaces here. And save again. And we're done.